My two ladies sent me these knitting needles to test, and I am impressed with the design of these needles because apart from stoppers at the end, they have a special toggle that actually helps you work with much bigger projects like blankets, afghans, or making very big shawls, those triangle shawls that are long at the top. I separated my cardigan and here are the sleeves. So the needles fit perfectly through here and the toggles. I can easily manipulate here the length of the cable, and also it's much easier to move all these stitches because the fronts and the back are all knitted together in one piece, and it gets heavy on regular knitting needles. So these are a great choice